Hey everyone! Welcome to Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. I hope you like this exclusive jacket with decorative seams and pleats. Today I continue to work on it. I'm going to show you how to cut and tack it. It's a complicated item. We devoted 4 videos to its pattern. Have a close look at the sketch. The pattern is ready. Watch this video carefully. Today I will explain you some important details. Let's have a look at the pattern. The pleats are folded. I need to mark their sides. It's a must. Mark the lines of folded pleats. It's exactly what we need, not the rounded lines I drew before. Have a look at these lines. I need to iron this detail. I have marked new lines. They do not differ much from the previous ones, but they are more correct. Now I need to contour them.
Не скажу, что я сильно ушла. Видите, тоже мы делали наобум, а это уже как бы не совсем так наобум. Это уже та линия, которой мы будем работаем с черными линиями. Теперь видите вот на эту линию.
Have a look at the bottom line. We got it after folding the pleats and cutting the extra pieces. When I fold the pleat, I will need to stitch on this line. Later, you can slightly correct it. One front detail is ready.
Теперь смотрите, что мы имеем? Мы имеем новые вот эти черные линии. Теперь смотрите.
I hope you remember that two front details are asymmetric. I have pinned the left detail to the fabric. Center front is on the lengthwise grain. It's a must. This is center front in the right detail. It should be on the lengthwise grain either. It is very important. It should be placed like this. Well done. I can pin it. Later, I will make spacing seams on these lines. Be attentive. The fabric is in one layer face up. I didn't pay much attention to the length of this mock-up. Probably it is short. We'll see the fitting. If I decide to sew jacket like this, I will need to extend the length of it. I'm going to cut the side details and the back later. Have a look at the bust dart. Probably I will need to correct it, because it is hard to join such rounded lines. I pin it to mark the sides of the dart. Such exclusive garments are usually very expensive. We're lucky to have an opportunity to make them ourselves. I mark the sides of the pleats with the pins either. First, I will draw them, and then I will mark them with spacing seams. The sides should be visible on the face to fold the pleats correctly. It's a delicate work. Be patient. I am sure the result will worth it. What I want to say to you, be very careful. Don't forget to make space and seams in center front in both details. It is very important. The design is complicated and center front should be distant. The armhole and the princess seam are nice. This is a waistline. Center front is marked. The bust dart is marked with the pins. Later, I will draw it. I can put it aside and proceed to the right detail. I'm going to cut the side details and the back later. The back is symmetric. I will cut it off camera. This is a side detail. Have a look at it. I put it aside. Now I must do a lot of tacking. However, you can do without it. It is very important. As you can see, this is center front. I mark center front on the neckline. I should match center front of the left side. There is a bust dart here. Its sides are rounded. Probably I can tack it like it is. No, I'd actually better draw straighter lines. This way. Have a look at it. I hope it is clear. Now I need to draw the pleats. I'm not going to show you the whole process of tacking, just the beginning of it. Have a look at the result. There is a lot of work to do, but it's okay. I am totally ready for it. and I hope you too.
Все, можно снимать.
Well done.
Эти выкроечки,
I can take the pattern away.
они мне больше не
I
нужны.
don't need it.
Они мне не пригодятся ни для чего больше. Если я вдруг придумаю, что
If I decide to sew the jacket, I have this mock-up.
это вот эта сторона,
This is the left
а
side,
это вот эта сторона,
and this is the right side.
а это вот эта сторона. Да, мне ж надо самой рассмотреть.
Everything is correct.
У меня все правильно, да. Все путем. Девочки, все путем. Снимаем нашу выкроечку.
I can take this pattern away either.
И да, чтобы не это,
Don't forget to make space and seams in center front.
прокладывать
Then
складочные.
I will mark the pleats and take the dart.
Эти нам больше не нужны. Вот это у меня эта
This is a wrong side.
сторона правильно. Вот
I need to make a spacing seam on center front and all these lines.
и не буду прокладывать. Общие правила, девочки, если у нас
It's a must
правый левый
that center front of the left and right sides match. You should follow this rule when you make items of your basic pattern and of any complicated design. It is very important. Otherwise, you may have problems.
этих правил, и у вас никогда не будет проблем. Вы скажете, что можно эти складочки как-то сейчас
I need to mark the sides of pleats to fold them correctly.
не складочек. Сейчас пойдем на утюг туда-сюда. Мел потеряется моментально.
I'm going to make spacing seams on 3 folds off camera.
Наши прокладочные швы. Ну и так точно я вот это все сейчас. Раз, два, три складки, все три вот так же точно проложу за камерой. Правая полочка.
Have a look at the right side. Center front is on the lengthwise grain. This is a bust dart, the first, the second, and the third pleat.
Груди. Немножко миллиметры тут.
I start tacking the dart.
Хотя выточка сейчас не
This is a bust top.
поэтому
I start in this point.
основная часть выточки переведена сюда. Что я сделала сейчас?
The dart bulk is small because it is open to the pleat.
И сейчас я буду заметывать.
Have a little look. The dart is ready. Now I need to tack the pleat.
Отметки. Это желание ваше личное.
Be attentive. I marked 6 centimeters from the bottom line.
Я вам показываю принцип. Вот смотрите.
I will tack the pleat up to this point, and you can make it different. It is up to you.
Пара миллиметров захватываем. И наша выточка.
Now, match me carefully. I'll start taking from the bust top. I hope it is clear.
Просто как бы обошли вот так грудь, вершина груди вот у нас. Шесть сантиметров не
I stop in 6 centimeters from the bottom line.
получилось.
Have a look at it. The detail fits well. The first pleat is here. I keep taking.
И вот превратилось вот здесь, видите что? Метаем дальше. У нас складки по модели.
The pleats are directed down. Later, I will tack them to one side.
Да. Но это потом. Вот здесь у нас
The side detail will be stitched to this edge. The second pleat should start in 1 cm from the edge.
Ну, где-то вот с этого места уже должна начинаться строчка. Хотя тут у нас и нечего брать, но 1 миллиметр все-таки можно взять. Я когда метаю,
I can feel the thread on the other side when taking. It is very convenient.
я заметаю.
I will take the third pleat off camera. I hope it is clear how to assemble it. After, I will explain you some techniques of sewing this jacket.
Перед нами правая полочка, сейчас приложу к себе.
Have a quick look at the right front detail and the left front detail. We only need to tack the princess seams and shoulder seams. Then, I will show you the fitting.
У нас уже Саша. Саша же у нас всегда очень быстро соображает. Он предложил
Have a look at this detail. We have a very interesting idea. You can decorate a sheath dress with it.
платье-футляр вот с такой вот накладной деталью. Вполне себе может быть
It can make any dress look very unusual. The left side is simple.
преобычно. Мне осталось сейчас Наташа.
The back and the other side details are assembled. I only need to tack princess seams and shoulder seams. I will do it off camera.
Метать на камеру. Такое длинное видео не нужно. Торжественный момент наступил.
Let's have a look at the result.
На мне, конечно,
The mock-up is ready. I thought it would be short, but the length is okay. I wasn't going to make this jacket, but when I put it on the mock-up, I realized I need to sew this design. My colleagues agreed. I am glad that I showed you how to make it.
что обязательно будем шить. Так что будем шить. Я рада, что мы это сделали до этого момента. Теперь
From our videos, you can learn how to make these pleats. The item fits very well because it is made according to my basic pattern. The neckline can be different. You can make it lower. The armhole is fine. The bust dart on the left is here. The bust dart on the right side is combined with the decorated seam. It is partly open to the armhole and to the pleat. The detail fits perfectly.
конечно, здесь можно вот здесь сделать на углу одну пуговицу, а все остальное.
Be creative. You can make a bottom here.
Что касательно вот этой детали, вот этой конкретно.
As for the edging of this detail, the facing and the lining should completely match it.
С подкладкой, чтобы соответствовать
There should be pleats in the facing either. It is very important. The lining should be also pleated, just like this detail.
обработано, так что все совершенно
Of course, you can cut extra pieces from the pleats in the lining, but it should be pleated in any case.
на подкладку
The lining and the facing should match the top details.
можно будет срезать. Но хочу сказать, так вот вы добьетесь абсолютного идеального,
I hope it is clear. I'm glad to show you how to make this item in detail. I'm pleased with the result.
потому что подбор точно так же должен заложиться здесь в складочке. Я дала вам направление, дальше, надеюсь,
To sum it up, be different and beautiful.
вам покажем. Но во всяком случае, если сошьем,
Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. I would really appreciate your support. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!